Welcome to Q Basic Programming Lesson 15. Lesson 15 is talking about CLS. I want you to take note that what you are seeing on my screen right now was the one I recorded in the last class. And as I launch the Q Basic applications, it states you can still see it. So CLS will make you to, though you can use the backspace or delete to clear your screen, but then here I want to use a command called CLS. In Q Basic Programming Command, CLS means clear screen. It removes everything that was printed or written before on the screen. You won't be able to see what you are seeing now, which was what I did in the last class. Then it gives you a fresh clean screen before the next programs run. If you run another program with CLS, sometimes the old text stays on the screen and mixes with the new one. As a teacher, think of it like this, or you normally watch your teacher do this. You will clean the board before writing the new note. So the CLS is like cleaning your chalkboard before writing the new note in the class. Here I use command instead of a duster. In the classroom you use a duster to wipe the board, but here I use a command, and then the command is you just put CLS, then your code. This will enable the computer to wipe up the memory of what was done before, and then you have opportunity to now write your new command in Q Basic. Thanks for watching. I'll talk about locate and color in the next video. Don't stop watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.